It's time to go. We're gonna get rid of this shift knob today. I've got some spare billet left over. Thankfully, Adam is gonna lend me some time and we're gonna shape a shift knob.
Chatter coming out of it. I don't like it.
All right, man, I messed up. After all that, here's the shift knob. I wanted to finish this video. It's been a minute. I was looking through the footage. I found this video and I was working on it once before, and I'm kind of mad because basically the GoPro let me down, I guess, in a sense, or maybe not even that. It was just me, operator error. But when I was recording the shaping of the shift knob here, I was just recording the whole thing. So it was about 30 minutes it took us to shape and everything and then clean it up. And but my GoPro only recorded for like 17 minutes and 38 seconds. So I think what happens after a certain period of time, it can't write any more memory. I don't know. But so I'm missing the other 17 or 15 minutes of footage. So I'm sorry about that. It kind of just jumped from like, oh, he's starting and then it's finished and he's polishing it off. So but at any rate, I'd like to put this up. So I enjoyed doing it, and I was thankful that Adam let me into his humble abode, and he shaped this bad boy. So it's hand shaped by Adam, and they did a good job, and stoked on how it turned out. Drives really good, and I guess I just wanted to put it up there because it was cool and it had fun, and I think you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe. If not, like, comment, whatever, do what you want. Till next time.